Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. By the title of this video, you can see that I am bringing out a curly hair tutorial. So let's get into it. So I am starting off with an old wash and go, okay? I feel like doing these styles is best on like an old wash and go, old twist style, old braid out, something like that. I haven't filmed a tutorial in a very long time, so I'm excited to share this one with y'all. I didn't show y'all how it dried. It is the next morning. Good morning. I didn't even sleep with a scarf. Honestly, like, I'm surprised that it still has a shape, but this is what it looks like. I love trying new hairstyles, so if you try it, let me know. Thank y'all for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch y'all in the next video.